In this video, I will show you how to add degree symbol in Google Slides to write degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. Let's get started. First, click on the text box option and draw a text box. Then go up to the insert option and select special characters to open the special character dashboard, and under the search by keyword type here degree, and you will see that now the degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit has appeared. You can just click on them to insert them on Google Slides, and if you want just a degree symbol or a degree sign, then click on degree sign to insert it in Google Slides. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen to know more about Google Slides quickly. Comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. See you again in the next video.